music. Here we go. Thank you. Hello, partner. Hey. Thank you. All right. Now we're going to go towards me with that foot. Okay? And we're going to go sway and sway. Still holding. Now this hand that we're holding, we're going to let go. I'm going to open it to the side. Open and meet again. And repeat. Forwards and back and open and one more time to have a practice. 1, 2, open, 3 and 4. Now for the ones on the other side, I'm going to turn this way so you can all have a go. Yep. Are you ready? So you don't change, you stay where you are. I'm just changing to help the person on the other side. Okay? And we go. Forwards, back and open and close and forwards, back and open and close.